So this next one is honestly one of my favorite exercises. It's one of the earliest ones I wrote for the book, and I think it's one that anyone can enjoy, where we're going to create an insult generator by randomly uh, uh, choosing some adjectives and some random noun and combining them together and creating some number of insults. So one of the things I really enjoy about this is that I get to introduce the idea of randomness in computer programs. And there is a module that we're going to use, a standard module in Python called random, that's going to allow us to get to make random choices. But one of the things that you'll learn here is that it's not truly random, only pseudo-random. It's a pseudo-random number generator. And one of my favorite quotes is, the generation of random numbers is too important to be left to chance. So what you're going to learn is that we can use a seed value so that our computer will always make the same seemingly random choices. And that's important because that allows us to test our program, and then we can go forward and then actually have randomness in our programs after we have proven that we are using the randomness in the same in a predictable way. So I'm giving you a list here of adjectives: bankrupt, base, caterwauling. I've selected all of these from Shakespeare, and then here are some nouns that I also selected. And so we're going to randomly grab a few of these. I think the default number is 3. Um, no, let's see, it looks like 2. We're going to randomly grab 2 adjectives and some noun, and we're going to create some number, which is by default here is 3, insults. But we're going to be able to vary both the number of adjectives that we choose and the number of insults that we create. And so what I'm going to show you in this exercise is I'm going to introduce the parser error that will allow us to handle errors really gracefully from using argparse. We're going to learn how to use random seeds in the random module. The random module will give us the ability to make choices, to select one thing or many things from some list of other things. And we're going to use a for loop to iterate over some number so that we can create the number of insults that we're supposed to create. And then finally, we're going to create some sort of output strings and how we can do that. So that's what we're going to be covering. So let's get a start.